Good morning, students. So, before I should start your second story of this unit travel, that is Jungle Safari, we will have a small discussion on the advertisements. See, advertisements are the media, or you can say that they are the source from which they can advertisements are the source which grab the attention of the customers through their visual attractions or audio attractions, है ना? When you used to hear some jingles or the pictures on the screen, automatically the attention is towards the product. So here on page number 29 and 30, you could read some of the advertisements which are related with the traveling sections. That means on page number 29 you can read about two advertisements given by presented by the hotels of different places, and on page number 30 you could read the one of the travel ad which is given by a travel agency, and agency called Beta Travels. And now what you have to do after reading this advertisement present on page number 30, there is a question on page number 31 on as B6, that is this question, that do you and your parents like the travel packages offered by the Beta Travels? Students, when we used to make a plan of traveling somewhere, some tourist place, the first thing which we have to plan about, that is after the tickets, is our accommodation where we will stay. So for that we sometimes used to contact with some travel agencies. So now after reading the advertisement given by the Beta Travels, now we have to write our opinion कि the packages provided by this agency is suitable for us or not. That is your individual choice. You will read and then find out whether the packages provided by that agency is suitable for you or not. Now on number B6, this is all about B6. Now what about B7? B7, you have to paste a picture of a tourist place where you wish to go in your winter vacation. And now after pasting the picture in the rectangular box provided on page number 31, you have to provide some information about that related place. Suppose if I want to be in Kashmir in my winter vacation, what I have to do, I have to paste a picture over here, and then I will write some information about these place. Now on next page, before starting the chapter Jungle Safari, what we have to do, there is a question: have you ever visited any national park or a wildlife sanctuary? Now what is a national park or wildlife sanctuary? Now these are the places where animals are kept. Animals are also kept in zoo, but there we used to see the animals in cages, whereas national parks or wildlife sanctuaries are the places where animals are kept in their natural habitat. They are not in the cages. They can move here and there freely. So in India there are lots of places where or you can say there are lots of national parks. Some major national parks obviously are there, where animals are kept in their natural habitat, natural surrounding. Now today's assignment will be that you should prepare at least 5 national parks list in your English copy with their respective state. I'm repeating it. In which state that national park is situated, you have to mention that place also. Now, it's an work given by me to you. Now, name of some national parks and animals are given below. Write the names of state where they are situated. Obviously, three national parks you can get from the page number 32. Now, you have to add two more. So, that is your assignment. Now, about the jungle safari. So, now in this, you can say from previous 4 months, we all are kept like animals in the cages, and in this lockdown period we are imprisoned in our homes. We can't go here and there as we were doing in the month of January, February. That means after this pandemic arrived in our country, we all are living a life of a prisoner. Anna, you will agree with me that you are not free to move anywhere. So now suppose some one used to come now that everything is okay and now you can move here and then very freely, and how you are going to feel? We all will become very happy. Our excitement will be at the top of its peak. Same thing is happening with the writer in this jungle safari. Somehow he got to know that he is going to a national park with his family, so he was very much excited. Students, we will read this jungle safari on tomorrow. So today we are only going to have the first paragraph. I'm going to read it and I will try to explain you right now, and the rest of the paragraphs we will do it on tomorrow's class. My excitement was at its peaks. We are going to visit Kanha National Park, which provided setting for Rudyard Kipling's classic novel, The Jungle Book. Everyone is, I think, especially children, are very much attracted to the character of Mowgli. Na, that is the famous character of the book Jungle Book, written by Mr. Rudyard Kipling. So that in that book you will read about a jungle, and the setting was from Kanha National Park. We slept early that night so that we could get up early in the morning as the alarm rang. My sister and I jumped out of our beds and quickly started to get ready for one of our thrilling journey ever. Our visit to Kanha National Park on a boat. This was the first time we are going to experience it, and very thought infused zeal in me. So students, as I told you, that the writer was very much excited to see the animals in their natural surroundings through a boat. He was very much excited to have a visit in a jungle. So he and his sister were very much excited. They got up early and get ready for having a visit in that national park, and they were very happy by only thinking that now they are going to see the animals moving freely in the jungle. It makes them full of zeal. So now rest of the paragraphs we will read it on tomorrow class. Okay. So assignment, I am adding some more, that you are going to read the chapter, and we will have some reading sessions on tomorrow's online class.